Yeah, 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 yeah. I'm just walking in Macau. Yeah, 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 yeah. I'm just walking in Macau. No, 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 never get bored in Macau. No, 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 never get bored in Macau. Rua Mercado de Jardim, up by the border. Rua Mercado de Jardim, oh, street up by the border. Yeah, I'm just walking in Macau. Yeah, 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 I'm just walking in Macau. No, 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 never get bored in Macau. No, 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 never get bored in Macau. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Good to Mercado de Jardim. So we're in this Jardim neighborhood, and there's all these streets. There's this whole area is all Jardim. So there's like 9 streets over there, and they're called, you know, the first street, the second street, third street, fourth street, fifth street, seventh, you know, all the way to the 9th street. And then we also have this little marketplace over there, and so part of ours is kind of exploring it, and we're going to show it. This loops around in a circle, so this goes like that, it comes back, and there's that park right there, so we're going to be showing you that. So let's put this up on the map so you know exactly where we are. Okay, we got another slice of Macau for you. Let's put this up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. Without further ado, let's just get right into it as if you're there yourself. Another slice of Macau. Okay, good to Mercado de Jardim. So this is at the base of our street, and then this kind of cool looking stuff is right here. And we have some kind of cool looking items to buy. Fresh foods of all kinds. Got a little bit of a bakery even. More. And it looks like we have some places that you could enjoy. So this is all part of the Mercado as well. Mercado is a marketplace. And these little flowers in here. And then you have also all the residences around here as well, right? Pallets, they'll come in off pallets. Possibly come in from China, I don't know. Because they're right by the border, so there's a lot of goods that go back and forth. Huh. This is interesting. These have look like older chairs that you'd see like in a bus stop or somewhere like that. There's the marketplace, or there's the market over there, Jardim Park. Lots of fruit. Nice, lots of fresh oranges. I think these are really well known in South China. These little small tiny ones. A lot of really good fruit here. Mangoes, papayas. Let's see what else we got. I guess they're collecting sticks for whatever reason. Okay, so our street is gonna it kind of loops around like that, and that's actually part of it too, this whole park. We'll just keep on going. We'll go down the street part. Then here's a McDonald's. So we got another street that goes off of our street. So ours just kind of hooks around like that. I will go into that park later, but for now, it's a pretty big building right there. I'm not sure what it is. It looks like a commercial space. In here sometimes I'll see them play zhongxi, the Chinese chess. Then the marketplace is directly that way, so I can actually see the sign, Hua du Mercado du Ayun Hon. Okay. Overseas Employment Center. Let me see. It's kind of dark in here, but looks like there's actually like a little restaurant and shops in here too. Okay. Some kind of health check right here. So I don't know if there's something for the community. Protection, some kind of thing. Oh, here they're playing zhongxi right there. So all the way down, I guess there's some players here. And here. And all the way down. So it's actually kind of interesting too. A little bit of nice public space. Let me see. Pretty cool. Okay, so we're gonna keep on going along our street here. We're gonna go into that park as well. This little I square is one of the computer places. So if you want to buy computers, you can come in here. So they'll have like all kinds of electronics and computers. You can go up the steps all the way up, and it's a whole floor, the whole building, all the way around it is all actually you can see some signs. So if you want your computer repaired, there they are right there. So you can buy or have computers built, or buy parts if you know what you're doing, or just have them build it for you. Just give them your specifications and what you want to do. So that's all inside here as well. Let's keep on going down. Kind of cool streets in this Ayun Hon neighborhood. This little side street is Progresso. Almost positive they're playing the zhongxi as well. Yeah, I think they are. Okay, we're gonna keep on going. Oh, it's kind of cool. So they're practicing down there. Got badminton here, and then they have like they're doing the dragon, so they're probably doing that practicing for Chinese New Year. And you even have the lion over there as well. So they're just practicing. I'm not going to get too close, even though it's kind of interesting. Maybe I will. I think they're just practicing, so they don't really want to be. But that is cool. Okay, so we're going to keep on going along our street here. Kind of cool. Okay, so we have another market, fresh fruits in particular, and I'm going to go into this park over here. And our street, let me just see. So our street, we have street signs that go all along this way as well. And then this kind of goes into the park a little bit. And then our street goes down that way as well. So I'm just gonna kind of meander in slightly. Give you a feeling for it. Lots of places to sit. Badminton. It's pretty bright in here. So it's gonna go all the way down. Yeah, it's super bright in here. So that's the year of the snake. I don't think it's the year of the snake anymore, but is it? Oh, maybe it is. So that'll change. I forget now. Okay, so we are going to go back to our street. There's a public bathroom right there, and they sometimes have events and such in Aon Hon. So it's kind of a big space that looks underutilized, but it'll fill up with stuff from time to time. Good for the community. Okay, so here's more stuff inside that way. So we're gonna go back to the street and try to capture that. Oh, okay. I guess they actually call it a garden. So I guess the park, they're calling it a garden, and then this one they're calling it a street, a hua. We'll just keep on walking down our street then. That's the side of the street we didn't see. That's kind of more interesting in that side, I think. And we will keep going. Let me see. Maybe I'll also go across illegally too. This side looks more interesting. So, okay. It's kind of cool. Big grocery store, big community here. Lots of apartments. Okay. Pretty cool. I guess we'll go like this. So we also have more cool stuff here. Share. All the stuff in the corner. Okay. That goes down to the border. This tree kind of hooks around in like a horseshoe shape. There's our street sign right there. Rua do Mercado de Aon Hon. So now we basically went into kind of a horseshoe shape. We're gonna come to an ending pretty soon here. Okay. So that was Aon Hon. Okay. Here you go. And these are all these other little Aon Hon neighborhoods, but it's kind of sunny, it's hard to capture it very well. So we're gonna end it right there.